so good to be back in the 4. I've not touched this game in like 4 or 5 days. So I just forgot how this game works so far. Look, I have no crafted new weapon. What is this? Oh, it's a mining totem. I need to use it. Ooh, I used it. I'm using it wisely. This guy's a mining totem is how much for? But it's not near the basalt core, bro. So I need to mine this basalt rock. But I'm not gonna get anything good. Oh my god. And this Sensei Moro, I hate him. I have beef with him. He gives a guys, I found it. Look, I got a gem. You saw the diamond. 3 cobalt. I actually like cobalt now. Usually I don't like cobalt. Yeah. You may say I'm weird. Yeah. You can say. I know you shouldn't like cobalt. I can make a really good weapon. Cause I'm out of the totem. I don't know what the totem does. Ooh, I found quartz. Ooh, is that an iron ore? So I thought iron was supposed to be rare. Damn. Should I make a weapon with iron? I'm not really gonna make a weapon because my weapon right now is made. I'm gonna first break these 2 rocks to get cobalt because I wanna have a lot of cobalt to make a colossal weapon, and colossal weapons sell for a lot. I'm a genius. But I are a lot. How can he mine the rock when I mine it? This I'm really underrated. And the block shoot diamond is also coming. That's why I'm attracted to it. Yeah, that's cool. I got like a 8, maybe 10. I think. Let me just finish it. That's the kind of cobalt I have to 3 iron. I need one. I reached it. 5, 4, 3, 2. I just would like to mess around. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, go. Let's go 4. And this is the meaning of the game. Oh yeah. And I cannot claim my daily login for some reason. Is it because I did not join daily? Okay, I'm gonna make a weapon with silver, full silver. Then I'm gonna make lapis lazuli and some cobalt. Oh no, never mind. I don't want a great sword. No, yes, katana. Wait, if I remove stuff, a higher chance. Gauntlet. Do I want a gauntlet? It's pretty hard. Let me just do it. Wait, what? I cannot do this thing. Okay. Look, it's easy. Hopefully it's not a gauntlet because I do not like gauntlets. I don't know if what I'm wearing is a gauntlet. It's iron fist. So I don't find it. Gauntlet because the only gauntlet I know. Thanos is gone. Yeah. Ooh, I got a sword. Damn. This is the best sword in the game, guys. I'm back. There's better swords than the garbage. Ooh. Oh, too bad. I mean, that's like, oh. Wait, I got the sword, okay. Oh, like one time. Let's see. It's a blue. 6. I'm not gonna read it out. 13 damage, 0.49. Should I equip it? Let me put some quad. I'm gonna put my best items in. Ooh, should I make a dagger? But dagger good. Ooh, I'm gonna make a straight sword. I want a straight sword. I'm crazy. I don't think anything is better than my iron fist. Like, I you say like colossal weapon, they do a lot of damage, but like their attack speed is pretty low. Like, I want something fast. Okay. You need to be so careful, okay? What is that? No. Wait, is that good? Is that like the chaos? I think that might be it. Perfect. 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 Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. I got no bag. So it could be like excellent maybe? Maybe whatever I make is excellent. Falcon. 20 damage? Whoa, this is really good. Wait. Raper. Okay, I'm checking my equipment. Bonite. Ooh, should I make new swords by the way? Ooh. 17 damage. This is my savage claw. This was so rare. 20 damage. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm trying to craft some more armor. I'll put one iron in. What if I put 3? Light helmet. I'll put 1 iron, 1 culprit, 1 emerald, 3 gems, 3 silver. Oh. Can we get a light stuff? I want a lot. I'm gonna put all my cobalt in to get a light medium helmet. Then I'm gonna put all my silver in. Wait, what if I remove the iron? Put all of this in. Put my amethyst in. Okay. Oh, I just sell my stuff. It's like, this is the most annoying part because you need to sell your stuff. Like, not really sell. Where do you sell? Oh, I just forgot. I think it's around like it's like a bacon head. I know it. Oh, this dude. Wrong. Would you? And why would I come to your stupid little store, huh? I mean store. Cobalt pickaxe, yeah, it's 7.5. Savage. I'm not gonna sell my savage glow. It's pretty rare. I think 7K. You're joking. What did I sell? What? Oh my goodness, I should forge more. My god. I didn't know forging was this good to get money. I thought that's like the worst method to get money, to be honest. I'm gonna put all 6. No, I don't wanna read that. Should I put all my... I'm gonna put my gems in. Then I put 3 gold. Medium looking. I don't know. What if we get something heavy? Who knows? It's probably not gonna happen. Bro! Okay, fine. I think forging is the best method to make money. Like 7K from like that stupid little sword. I think they're better than the colossal sword. But the colossal swords go for like 1K each. Sorry if I talk too much. Because there's some background music, I want to cover it up. So sorry. What is it? Ooh, it's leggings. I want to see how much defense they give, to be honest. Perfect. Okay. Bad. Great. Ooh, you only got 1 bad. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, let's sell this or average 11 defense. That's trash. Should I put everything in? I'm gonna put 7 topaz. I'm gonna make a weapon. This is gonna be the final video. No, the final forge. Okay, let's just forge. I don't know if it's gonna be anything good. Let's see. So I skipped. Let me just skip this and that's the final mini game. Ooh, it's a long sword. It's long soft, but it's like a new sword. I've never gotten it. Perfect. I wanna get it. No bad. Perfect. Good. Great. Perfect. Ooh, whoa! I really like this design. I actually like this food. I might just keep it. How much damage does it do? 24 damage? Oh my goodness. How much if it like worth? How much is the money? Is the money good? $462. I'm gonna sell my other stuff. Then we're gonna end the video. I basically beat. Obviously, why do you think I think? Oh no, I cannot sell that. I can give you 700. No, I'm gonna sell all of my other daily life. I don't know, it's not working. Deal. I'm gonna sell all my other stuff. Guys, you have $33,000. I'm rich. Let me try to buy the next pickaxe. It's 32,000. Should we buy it? I think we should save up for the metal pickaxe. It's only 59,000. Forging is the metal.